So let me take you through how I prepare the basmati rice for biryanis or other recipes. Now here I've washed my basmati rice very well. So I've taken about a cup and a half, and I'm going to wash this really well, and I'm going to soak it in 3 cups of water for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Then I'm going to put it onto the gas, onto the flame, and I'm going to boil it on a very high flame. So my flame is full. So I'm going to bring it to a boil on a high flame. And now you can see that it's vigorously boiling. So let it come to a complete boil. And then you're going to put the flame on medium. But keep an eye on it and stir in between. Don't forget to wash your rice really well before you soak it. And then I'm just going to let it simmer for about 5 whole minutes till it is nice and cooked like this. And once it is cooked, I drain it on a colander or a steel sieve or sift. So here you can see I've poured the entire thing, and this is all the water that is down below. And I let it sit over there for about 5 minutes till it comes to room temperature. And that's it, guys. Your lovely basmati rice is ready to use for biryanis or any other recipe like lemon rice, malwani rice. There's so many recipes which you can use this for. So this was a quick video on how to cook some lovely basmati rice.
Friends, I hope you liked today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.